Hello everyone, welcome back to CM Bonsai. Okay, today I'm not going to be working on a tree in this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a turntable, because I have quite a few of these kind of turntables. You've probably all seen these ones, but when I'm making videos people are saying that these ones are very loud, and it doesn't matter how much I oil them, they're kind of old now, and I've got quite a few of them. I've tried new ones, but they can be quite loud. So I was using this kind of Lazy Susan thing. It's like one you'd have in the kitchen. It's a lot quieter, but it's very rickety. So I wanted to make a more substantial, stronger, quieter turntable, hopefully. So what I did was I went online and bought one of these guys. You can see that. And I'm hoping this will be a lot quieter. And we can give it a bit of a spray of oil just to make sure it's nice and free to run, but hopefully that will be a lot quieter. And I've also gone and bought two of these chopping boards, the meat chopping boards, bamboo ones, so they're good and solid, good and strong. So we've got two of them so that we can make a good solid turntable out of them. So we'll start off. I'm just going to tilt the camera now so we can see what's going on. So what I'm going to do start off is get the centres of this, draw the lines so we can position this dead centre. So what is that? 40. This way. There and there, so that's going to mark basically our cross now. So I just want to draw some lines on that. Easy. Same there. Okay, so now this guy we can position into here so that the lines are all through our holes like that. There's a little bit of fiddling about, but I'll get there. Okay, that looks pretty good there. So now what I want to do is I just want to mark through here. Like that, so we have that mark. So I'll just take that back off again. I'm going to drill a hole through here with a kind of biggish drill bit. Okay, so that's got to be big enough that my screw, yeah, the screwdriver will fit through, which it is. Okay, so now we can now put this back on. We can screw this into place. Can line it all up. To get all four lines dead center, but okay, that looks pretty good there. What I'm going to do is actually just mark them just in case it moves. So we have it in the right place. I'll just pre-drill some small holes. Now, there's probably a few of you out there that have built your own, made your own turntables, and you have a much easier, better way of doing them, but it's just the way I've figured out a way of doing one. Okay, we got the short enough screws that are not going to go through our board. The round one that I was using, the Lazy Susan, I just got it at the car boot sale. It was fine, but it wasn't very secure when you were putting big pots or slabs or something on it. It would be quite rough. I'm hoping now that will be a lot quieter. What we can do is somewhere, it must be outside, we'll have to get it in a while. Maybe a spray that we can spray into it, but we'll do it, we'll make it first. Okay, now for the tricky part is we need to match it up now on here. So all 4 sides bang on. Turn it round, it's just slightly off there. So. Check it again. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now what we need to do to see if I can actually see through that hole good. Yeah, I can just about see. Need to okay, so that's one. And when I look through the hole, you see I can see the holes for the other screws through there. Makes life a bit easier if your screwdriver is magnetic. Okay, that's 2. So now to this side. They did have thinner boards, but I wanted it to be quite a good solid board and a good solid turntable, because like that I've got some big slabs my forests and stuff on, so this will be able to, even though this would probably take the weight as well, but so if I use a thicker board I can put a thicker, bigger screw in as well. Okay, so that's that. So to turn it over, so this will be on top. It's nice and quiet. I will give it a spray. And the only thing left, I suppose, is we'll put on our logo onto it. So these. Stick it up in this corner maybe. Okay, well that's that. It's a pretty good solid board now, hopefully a lot quieter, it won't be as wobbly as the others, as the other one wobbled like crazy. Now also, for the sake of it, made a little, because I had a little one of these turntable things, so I made a little one for my little smaller than tiny bonsai, so may as well stick a little label on this one as well. Again, maybe we'll just put it in the corner like that, just for a bit of fun. And now I'm working on our little tiny miniature bonsai. Just that one, doesn't want to stick this one for some reason. These guys are normally brilliant for sticking, this one doesn't want to stick. I've stuck these onto glasses and everything, not reading glasses obviously, drinking glasses, and they've been washed and washed and washed, and they've stayed on. Stuck one on my car window, and it's been through the wash and everything and it stayed on. Don't know why this one is deciding it doesn't want to go on. Let's go on now. Maybe there's something on that board stopping it sticking properly, but it's stuck now. That'll be our little one for our miniature trees. Okay, let's go and get a tree and see how noisy the big one is. Okay, so I brought my hobbit house in. That's nice and smooth now. Like I said, I will give it a spray of oil in through there into the bearings. But it's nice and smooth, there's no rocking. So yeah, I think that's a success. Let's give this moss a bit of a soaking down. Even though we've had rain, this is kind of up on a top shelf, so it's also in the wind. So it's drying out quite a lot. While we have it, we may as well pull out these weeds as well. So we did actually do a little bit of bonsai tree work. Well, not so much tree work, but weed work on the video. This is our goat willow we put up there. I think we can prune that back a bit. We'll start training it into a little tree. And we'll do that when we bring it in to do a bit of pruning on it. I think I'm going to put this maybe on a lower shelf. Switch it for something else that can go up on the top shelf. The moss is drying out quite a lot. But it needs a bit of work. The whole thing is a bit... path is completely disappeared underneath all the moss and weeds and stuff. We need to do a bit there. I can see the bricks underneath that lot. But it'll be brought in at some stage. These are blueberries. So we've got some flowers on them. This side looks like it's died off. But we'll probably prune that branch back. And Chinese elm is doing really well, as you can see. So that'll be a video for the future. Probably not that long, to be honest, looking at it. So yeah. So we'll call this one done. Like that. Wasn't about any trees today. It was just about making my turntables. Whoops. So there they are. Simple enough. Good solid ones for a cheaper price. So we'll leave it at that. So as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.